This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Wise app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to discuss three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So the first one is just go to your Google Play Store and then search for the app Wise. And then from here, when Wise have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So for the first solution, just ensure you are running the latest version of the app. And then guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings and then go to the apps. And then once you are on the apps, just go ahead and find Wise. So guys, over here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So once you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, tap on storage and tap on clear cache and also clear data. So from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And if this solution doesn't work, the last solution and the last option is reinstalling the application. So guys, first uninstall the application from your device. And then after that, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your device. And then from there, you should have a working Wise application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.